Namaskar, good morning. Today is Sunday, 19 September 2021 AD, 1428 Bangabdo and 2565 Buddhabdo. This is Shagatam Borua Nodi reading the morning news on behalf of Buddhism around the world from Bangladesh. Buddha said, if you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. We hope that wherever you are, everyone in the family, including relatives, is well and healthy. We, on behalf of Buddhism around the world, always wish you all safe and well. Now I am reading the detailed news. Live Dhamma talk for the benefit of entire mankind. Dhamma Danang Sabba Danang Jinati. Gift of Dhamma excels all other gifts. We broadcast live Dhamma talk regularly on Tuesday and Friday evening at 7 o'clock Bangladesh time. We received kind consent to deliver the live Dhamma talk from most renowned and popular wonderful meditation teacher, son of Aryans, Venerable Ashin Khamika Taro, director at Bodhipal International Insight Meditation Center, Chandgaon, Chattogram, Bangladesh. You are sincerely invited to listen and watch the Dhamma talk with your family and friends. During this pandemic situation, this is our endeavor to broadcast Buddha's teaching to you on every Tuesday and Friday evening whilst you are at home. To watch regularly, please be connected with our group Buddhism around the world. Watch the Dhamma talk for yourself and open the door for others to enjoy the same bliss. Our hardship will be justified if you watch the Dhamma talk and practice the Dhamma accordingly for the benefit of entire mankind. Bahujano Hitayo, Bahujano Sukhayo. Be enlightened for yourself and help others to be the same. All of we know that sharing is caring. You are requested to share our news in any Buddhist group or page, not anywhere else. To know the updated news about us, please be connected with our group Buddhism around the world. Whoever watched our news for so long, we wish you humble thanks, best wishes, gratitude, loving kindness and the merits I have acquired in my uncountable lifetimes, sharing with you for the realization of Nibbana. With your kind permission, now I am taking leave for the moment. Shagatam Borua Nodi, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow at this time. Till then, I pray you that you and your family to be sound and safe. Once Buddha said, happiness comes when you work and works are benefit for the others. Before I leave, once again I humbly request you to watch the Dhamma talk with your family on Tuesday and Friday at 7 p.m. Enjoy the bliss of Dhamma. Take care of yourself. Namaskar.